一个品类的开始，这边就都是发电机，发电机这是变频电焊发电机，因为这个有给电焊。
OK， 它的电呢？
对，这是连着，然后这可以做一些电焊 weeding。
OK， 明白了。
generator。
明白了。哎呦，我看到你们这边都贴了价格，这个价格就是一台
批发价。
批发价。
对。
批发价。
对。
这个不是就厂价吗？
不是，因为我们是工厂嘛，所以说批发要有一定的起订量。这些发电机是要25台起。
25， that is MOQ, right?
Yeah.
25 ，OK。
如果有现货的话也是可以的，但是因为它是批发价格，所以一台会加钱，酌情价钱。
OK。
工厂在台州，然后运到义乌的费用是我们来出。
对，就 FOB 的价格。
对。
OK. So I can see, guys, you guys can see a lot of generators here. Yeah, you can see this. Most of them are gasoline. And yeah, most of them are gasoline, and I hope they also have the diesel also. Like if you need diesel, I know they can make it for you also. So let's see more things they have. So what I can see different, type. I can see different sizes of this. This one they said in stock. Some of them are not in stock, but she said that after the New Year, Chinese New Year is already fast approaching. So after the New Year, most of them will be in stock. So I want to know about this. What is this?
耕地的、翻地的 cultivator.
Natural. Yeah.
Cultivator 耕地的。
Okay, cultivator. That's very nice. You can just hold it this way. Just have to hold it this way, and it will start moving, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So guys, for those into farming, this is actually absolutely very nice for you guys. And the price of this one is about 1,395 RMB for wholesale price. If we are getting at a very large quantity, I know they can give you, this at a very good rate. What's the MOQ of this?
MOQ 10 pieces.
10 pieces for this.
Yeah.
So MOQ for this very one is 10 pieces. So let's see more other things that you guys have here.
微耕机这边还有。
Okay. They have another big stuff here, guys. Wow. What is the name of this?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Oh wow, that's very nice. What's the name of this very one?
Cultivator price in here.
Okay, cultivator.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice. This one is 7,570 RMB. It's very nice. I think.
It's diesel.
Diesel also.
这款产品也有视频，到时候我们加联系方式我发给你。
Okay, no problem. As you can see, guys, it's a place where you can actually put your bottled water. So as you are working, you have to stay hydrated. So I think this is really nice. If you need something like this, you are watching us from America, because I know I have so many American friends. Anywhere in the world you want to get this, or you want to come to China to see this yourself, we can actually make it possible. Guys, let's go and see other things we have here also. Okay. Oh, this one also, guys, come this side so that they will see. What's the name of this?
This one? Also cultivator, but it's diesel. Because it's big.
Yeah.
Gasoline. Small is gasoline.
Yeah, this is also cultivator, and this is actually big. This one is 2,347 RMB. Wholesale price. Yeah? What's the MOQ for this?
这款有现货。
有现货. So if I need one, you can give me for this. Okay. So you guys have seen this. You have heard from her. This one they have products already on ground. So even if you need one on this, you want to get one for just sample, this can actually be delivered to you. Is the mic working also? That's in on the shake, right? Okay. So let's see this one.
Air compressor.
Oh, this is air compressor, guys. Air compressor. For those, oh, this is the work here, for those using this, you know more about everything here. Air compressor. I love this. This is, wow, this is just 469 RMB. Wholesale price. Just imagine when you need this at a very large quantity. You should know that they are going to give you this at a very cheaper rate. So a lot of them here.
这些是我们工厂自己做的，但是订单要排到明年的4月份了。
明年的4月份。
对的，就是26年4月之后。
Okay. That is after the
这也是我
after
们
the
工
new
厂
year.
自己做的。
Okay, these are made by their factory. Okay, yeah, these are made by their factory.
高压清洗机是不是？
高压清洗机。
对。
Okay, so guys, you can see that this is for washing machine. You know, those washing cars and so many other things. Pressure washing machine. You know, you press this, you know what I'm talking about. So let's go and see more about what they have. 你好。Yeah. Let's go. So what about this? What do we have here?
水泵 water pump。
Okay, these are pump.
Water pump。
Water pump.
对。
Okay.
对，这个也是我们工厂
This
自
is
己
not.
的。
Okay. This is also your factory.
Yeah.
They made this also. Wow, that's very nice. Okay, you can see that this is water pump, and you know something like this one is going for 400 and something RMB also. A lot of them here, their prices are also here. So even if you come here, you don't really have to, you know, you don't need anybody to, you know, show you what they have, you know, because their prices are here already, guys. So many of them here.
Also，这个也是柴油的发电机，刚刚那边是汽油发电机。
Okay, this is diesel. Wow, just like what I said the other time. You know, I told you guys they will also have, you know, diesel. The other place is gasoline. This is diesel.
Yeah.
And this is also diesel. Like this one is how much?
Yeah. Silent. 静
Okay.
音款的。
Silent.
Yeah.
Wow. No sound at all.
一点点。
Okay, just a little bit sound.
对，68分贝。
Wow, that's very nice. This is 11,462. Wow, that's very costly, man. That's very costly, but it's actually very nice. You see what we have here, guys? Oh my goodness. Wow, it's very neat. This is diesel, guys. So if you need something like this also, it's very nice. What about the battery? The battery is made with what? Is it lithium or lead?
电池，发电机嘛，电池。
I know. What's the components of the battery? 是锂电池还是
铅酸电池。
铅酸电池? Okay, it's made with lead battery, guys. This is lead, not lithium.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. And this one is on stock already. So if you need one of these, they can actually give you FOB price. Okay. Wow. Come this side. You know, guys, you need to. This is for.
Okay, police. 那个洗地的，商场里面清洗地面的。
Oh yeah, this is for cleaning machine. Cleaning. Yeah, you want to, you know, clean the floor. You know, you just have to press it like this. Very easy, very simple. I love this. You know, I love this. How much is this? What is the price for this? Wow, 24,500 RMB. It's not bad because they are really nice. I love this, and you know, very relaxing, guys. Very relaxing.
这个充一次电可以使用6到8个小时。
Oh, this is electric.
Yeah.
Wow.
电池在这下面。
Wow, guys, this is electric cleaning machine. Oh my goodness. Floor what?
对哈。
Yeah, floor cleaning machine, guys. You see that? This is electric. Huh? Yeah, floor scrubber. Wow, I love that. So many things here, guys. So many of them here. What is this one? What is this?
洗地盘。
CD pan. Wow. This is also nice. Surface cleaner. Professional surface cleaner. I love everything here. This is actually very nice. Wow.
配件这些。
Yeah, these are just like the pass of all those things that we have already showed you guys. So this is another place here again. So many things here, you guys will really love what I'm showing you guys. It's just like the two bag, not the two box. So guys, feel free to let us know This factory is actually in Taijo. It's very, very close to where we are. We're actually in Yiwu. That is the world largest wholesale market in the whole world. Yeah, this is the world largest wholesale market. So if you come to China, you want to come to China, guys, you can actually visit this very place. I know they can also take us to the factory. Yeah, if you come here, you are interested, you want to buy a large quantity, guys, we can actually go to the factory so that you will see how the productions are being done. So remember also, guys, to let us know what you think. You have any question about the product here, drop it under the comment section, and feel free to contact us anytime, guys.